Welcome to today's episode of Yamaichi Tech TV. My name is Dr. Alexander Aumonat, and with us today is David Binder.
Hi, Alex.
Hello, David. So as a business development manager at Yamaichi Electronics, what are your main responsibilities?
I'm trying to make a match between our customers' needs and our data networking portfolio.
And today you would like to introduce?
Dual small form factor pluggable, the next generation of SFP form factors.
Okay, so the DSFP is an evolution of the SFP.
Yes, SFP is the most common form factor right now. It has evolved over time. It started as a 1G, was then later optimized to 5 and 28G. Today, Yamaichi is first to market with its SFP 112G host connector.
Okay, that means that with this connector, we're able to transmit 112 gigabits per second of data.
Yes, on one differential pair.
That's quite an impressive number. So, but from what I see here is that the DSFP is quite compact. So is there any bottleneck?
Well, SFP originally was designed as a one-channel form factor. And as we already say, dual SFP has 2 channels. That was Yamaichi's contribution to increase the density.
Okay, so yeah, of course, multiple channels allow for higher data transmission rate. That's clear. But as far as I know, the density problem was already addressed by the Quad SFP, a 4-channel form factor. So why did Yamaichi instead develop the DSFP?
Good question, Alex. OSFP, QSFP, etc. are all considered to be too large for 5G fronthaul applications. This is why we developed DSFP.
And was the development a success?
Yes, it was a big success. We sold more than 5 million pieces for the rollout, for the 5G rollout in mainland China. And this is how DSFP became the dominant form factor for 5G.
That sounds like quite a good rollout. So what are the main advantages of the DSFP compared to similar form factors like the SFP double density?
With DSFP, you can keep the cage of SFP. You have the same footprint on the board as SFP. With SFP-DD, you have to change the cage, you have to change the foot pattern. You can do nothing wrong with DSFP.
That sounds quite convenient. So thank you very much for showing us the DSFP today.
You're welcome. If you have any questions, please contact me.
And dear audience, thank you for watching, and most of all, stay curious.